Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the mystery dumpling. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a bump up in the center. And then on each side, let's curve it out and back down. Now top in and let's draw two curves underneath. Now let's add the shape of the body by drawing a large curve out on each side. And then close it off at the bottom with a large curve across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and draw the face. In the center, let's draw a U-shaped curve for the mouth. And then on each side, let's draw a circle for the eyes. And then let's add another circle inside on the top left. And now color both of the eyes in black. Now underneath each eye, let's draw a sideways oval for the cheeks. And that's it for this mystery dumpling. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!